As you can see, market point, I have traded at the point 1 and then it went up and then it went down directly, but it did not hit my stop loss yet. There fully tested. Okay, as you can see, there is the one more level over there. There is the one more level here. As you can see, this level, yes, this level, the number 3 has been tested, but number 2 not yet tested, number 1 not yet tested. Of you have placed your stop loss at this point here, right? You are gone. আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আমি আলিনুর বলছি আলি forex.com থেকে। আমি চলে আসলাম আপনাদের সামনে একটি টেকনিক্যাল অ্যানালিসিস ভিডিও নিয়ে। তো চলুন দেখা যাক এই চার্টে আজকে কি রয়েছে। দিস ইজ নিউজিল্যান্ড সুইস ফ্রাঙ্ক H4 chart. Okay, as you can see, the market is actually uptrending. You see the market actually uptrending. It went down for a long time, and then now the market is having retracement. So let me find out where is the market can be retraced still. Okay, see, the market can be retraced up to this level here or up to 75. Okay, then this trend will be completed, the retracement will be completed. Okay, so I've used this Fibonacci retracement tool, as you can see. Okay, so I am gonna so don't take it out first. Okay, now zoom in the chart, and then this is what you see. The market, once the market went up, and then it's going to have some kind of range, right? So it is making the range. As you can see, the market actually let me explain to you. Okay, so okay, then this is what the market, let's say it started from here and then it went up there, and then now it is going up, right? The market is going up here. So I'm drawing the range. The market is in the range. You see, the market came down, went up in the range, and then this is came down, and then can you see there is the double bottom has been created, right? So the double bottom has been created in the range. So this market will be going up to there. Definitely it will go, because this is what the market does. Okay, either after going there, the market may be coming down here, coming down at this range here, or it will directly penetrate through up and then go up to which level? It will go up above this level to hit up the 61.8, the golden ratio, or the market making the range here. Market will make the range at this level here, and then it will go down completely. Okay, so right now I have traded that there is definitely market is running in the range. You can trade also, and if you trade there, then where should you put your stop loss? You just put your stop loss just as me. Can you see one thing, that where I have placed the stop loss is absolutely the perfect stop loss you'd ever have you'd ever seen, live, I believe, because you see the stop loss I've made. Let me open up this one. As you can see, my trade has been executed here. You see, so I'm gonna put the point over there. Let's catch another one more. Okay, showing you here, where is the point? Okay, I've traded at the point 1, right? So I have traded at the point 1, and then trade executed. The market went up a little bit here. Okay, up to this area here, up to the point 2. Market went up to the point 2 there, and then it came down, directly hit it to the point 3. So now here is the myth that the people think that the market will, as you can see, market point, I have traded at the point 1, and then it went up, and then it went down directly, but it did not hit my stop loss yet there. This is what I like and want to explain to you. The stop loss you must place in the perfectly so that it doesn't hit. Okay, so placing the stop loss is very, very important for the trader, because sometimes what happened here, let me explain that once you traded at the point 1, and then the market went up to this level there. Let's say the market, you traded at this point here, and then market went up. When the market went up there, and then what you did, you personally did that, you and the other trader, what they did, they just traded there, right? So they think the market, it went up, and they started trading over there. They started trading over here, right? So once they started to trade over there, and then they put the stop loss, where they put stop loss, usually all the trader, the stop loss will be placed here, right? Because they are thinking that the market already have rised up, and it will continue to rise up. But what the market did, market just came down to test the level again, because the market did not fully tested. Okay, as you can see, there is the one more level over there. There is the one more level here. As you can see, this level, yes, this level, the number 3 has been tested, but number 2 not yet tested, number 1 not yet tested. That's why the market came down, and those of you have placed your stop loss at this point here, right, you are gone. So this is why I have placed my stop loss here, straightway up to here. And this is the perfect stop loss and perfect analysis you must make all the time when you do your analysis. So this is what your stop loss should be placed at. Now come back to the point. The market is actually making the range. You don't have to think that this market is going down. Yes, temporarily it is going down, but overall the market is making the range. As you can see, the market went up there, okay, and then came down and went up and came down, and now it will go up. So this is what I wanted to say. I need to show you, I probably need to show you it's better. As you can see, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, and it will make point 5, right? So the market is running in the range. Okay, draw for you 1 to 2, 3, 4, and it will go up to there. So hope you understood what I have analyzed in this chart. Okay, and the take profit, the where should you place your take profit, right? So the you take profit should be, let's place this one here, a retracement, because I don't wanna market to leave me alone. I wanna hit it, execute my take profit, and then market wherever else it want to go, let it go. That's why I purposely have placed my take profit at 61.8 here. So this one must be adjusted. This one must be adjusted to here. Okay, so this time the market will be going up and then test the level of this one. Definitely it will do you believe me and wait for to take the profit by tomorrow or by the next week, because by the next week the market will go up to this level there. It will go up to the level 5 there, the 0.5 there, 0.5 there. Okay, so this was the this week analysis. Okay, hope you have learned something else from me. Please subscribe, and I will be releasing all the analysis day by day, the time I found them. Okay, you don't need to pay for the course to learn the forex and learn the trading online. By the time, happy trading. Bye bye.